Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerTrading.com, and as we get into tonight's free video, I wanted to start off by bringing you Peloton. Now, this one had a really excellent recovery off of the lows made earlier today, so, sells off on Wednesday, kind of flushes with the indexes at the open, but then makes just a beautiful recovery up off of that low. That decline was not too dissimilar from declines that you've seen before, so I'm generally looking at that pattern for a continuation of trade or continuation of trend. Then I'm thinking that if this first dot, which it's still in its infancy, but I'm thinking that this signal is going to mature into something that leads you up into this gap fill. So the first kind of shorter term trade, and I'm trying to get it into next week. You can do this with call side butterflies, you can sell puts against it, but I'm trying to get that gap fill by next Friday, by the witching expiration. If that doesn't work, well then keep pushing it into next week, but then longer term, I think that Peloton is going to clear that lifetime high, and I like the big round number of 150. So kind of a short-term and long-term approach in that name, but I think I will continue to like it. And we've got another one here with PayPal, kind of similar thinking, continuing to focus on the 195-minute squeeze. Same with the sell-off over the past two sessions, and then a very nice recovery. And I think you're going to see that this signal takes out the 220 high and just takes you into something like 223. PayPal may actually still be a great investment for the longer term move. So if you want to keep holding that, just give yourself the duration, the gift of time to continue holding. If you're looking for shorter term trades, kind of like Peloton, I think that little move is going to be worth capitalizing on. And then last but certainly not least is Pinterest. So we've been on this one for a while as well, but it's not too late to get it, provided that you are willing to risk a move back down into symmetry. So symmetry is defined as, or you can look at it in a way that where this decline is exactly the same decline that happened right here. So you're just looking at what's the personality of this name? How does it tend to pull back when it does pull back inside the otherwise bullish trend? So you had that beautiful pullback into symmetry today that held right there at the 666 level. If you can see it continue to hold, I think you're on track for 74 and 77. So I hope that is a helpful review. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you at the next free video.